无线电子对民进党能够带来一定的冲击。
You don't have like oh no, I messed up button. Like what happens if I need help? There's no help when you're peer to peer, and so it's like I think that finance, like, will see a middle ground. Like there's going to be like the option to use digital finance, but I think that most people will just want to use a bank. Like if you don't make as much on your savings, or you don't get to utilize the money that's like through the financial systems nearly as well by yourself, but what you do get is security, and you get to be safe.
好的，那我翻翻书。
我觉得这个是放在移动系统里。书上没有，但也没用。这主先说吧。国际奥组委给的最好的一个方法。对，都起都是应急预案的。看你编。
ではここで音楽です。今週は皆さんからのリクエストの曲をかけていまして。
I use it for a laptop for me, and even for the problem for me is that like it's really damaging to your computer. If you don't have the right specifications, like my laptop is not very big, and it gets really hot from using the wireless. I'm actually trying not to use it on my laptop anymore.
So most typical desktops that are coming out that are like from today, like if I went out and bought a desktop that was like meant for someone to bring home today, like it would run most of the stuff.
Yeah, I would probably be looking for like gaming, like either a gaming or a video editing, like an editing computer. With headsets now, like the price is getting lower and lower. Just for Christmas, they had a buy one get one free for the Oculus, and so it's getting to $150 retail per headset. Like it's really at $150, it is affordable to buy a headset. And unfortunately, like you have to spend about $1,500 to $2,000 on the computer.
What's the new video game that new movie we were talking about? But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all these things will be given to you as well. From Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. Henry Hufford tells the story of S.P. Morgan, a man he met in Sierra Leone, West Africa. In his early life, Mr. Morgan was a prospector. He went all over Sierra Leone looking for gold. While searching, he found what he thought was worthless quartz just lying on top of the ground. He would set this aside and continue his quest for gold. After he gave up on prospecting, Sierra Leone became well known as the only nation having diamonds that could be easily gathered on or near the surface of the ground. Imagine Mr. Morgan's disappointment. When S.P. Morgan became a Christian, he stood before congregations of people to tell his story. He said he would never again make the mistake of underestimating the value of what he had. He cautioned others not to ignore the value of God's kingdom, tossing it aside while pursuing other goals in life. The kingdom of God is worth more than everything else in life combined. In both of today's parables,
That go with your VR headset?
I don't. I actually use the most bare-bones system. Yeah, we had a mocap suite for a little while, so that's a little bit more advanced. But lets you do a full capture of every single one of your major joints. So that's for game development, not so much for playing the game.
I see.
Ahí, ahí, ahí,